Alright, I'm in Catskill. Hope this is my last call of the day. It's 7 o'clock right now. Very cold. I have another call, but looks like it has been cancelled. I'm waiting for my customer to confirm. So yeah, this is the last call. Stay there. The service is about a sandwich cooler. Sandwich cooler is down. I just went inside the store. I checked it out. The temperature in the open sandwich cooler is 40 degrees. They like to keep it under 40. Usually it runs on the 30s or lower. I need a new pair of gloves, I believe. And so it's pretty warm. Has been like this since the morning, but we've been pretty busy, so we never had the time to come. So here we go. All right, my machine is a zero zone. This is the one. Yeah, I can see already. Two condenser fan running. Bubbles on my side glass. We have this issue in the past. I don't know why. We did a leak test one time and we found the leak. We repaired it. Now it's just low again. By the way, all the evaporator fans are running. So the evaporator coil is clean. So this is a 404. Yeah, 404. If I remember right. So we're gonna grab some refrigerant, take some pressure readings. I'm 99% sure that this is low again. Just take a look inside. Make sure that it's 404. I forgot to take a look at the tag. Inside. I know it's a 404. I remember this machine. So let's grab some refrigerant. Damn. Alright, let's bring the testo. I hate to bring the testo at this cold temperatures outside, but that's what we're gonna do. 404. I need to put this away. My truck is getting messy. All right. Wow. My testo is frozen. It's frozen. Damn. Wow. Turn it on. We're gonna start with a pound. See what happens. I can see that these testos are not good when it's really cold temperatures. As you can see there, I don't know if you can see it, but when it's really cold, the valves start leaking. I can see it leaking right there. It happened on this one. Now it's happening on this one, the low side. So alright, we get a pound. She's going on pump down. Yeah, she's pumping down. That's a good sign. That means that the cooler is satisfied. So, all right, let's just take a look at the cooler and see what we got. Alright, my temperatures are better. She started dropping. We are in the 37. She was above 40. I'll take some time. Alright. One more climbing. All right. Well, she's fine. Let's put everything back together, and I have to put a leak test on this system, I believe, but she's gonna be fine for now. All right, I'm picking up all my stuff so I can leave. That's the temperature right now. Hope you can see it. 20 beautiful degrees. You gotta love it. All right, gonna get everything up out of the roof and start doing some paperwork, and probably I'm going home. All right, guys, thank you for watching.